Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are keeping well. Welcome back for English session after Christmas holiday. I hope all enjoyed it. In the last class, I have completed English lesson. Also, I have given the notes. Hope all of you have written it. Also, are you all writing the copy? I hope all are doing it. Now take out your English reader. Let's complete a reader activity in this class. Match the following by drawing lines. These meanings and question answers I have given in the last class. Let's continue. Take out your pencil and scale also. Match the following by drawing lines. You have to draw the lines when match the following. He worked for his family. Which worker he worked for his family? First, second or third? Yeah, the second worker. The second worker. You have to draw the line from the A to B. He worked for the nation. Which worker worked for the nation? The third worker, last worker, right? He worked for wages. The first worker worked for the wages. Roman number 3. Join the suitable words balloons. One is done for you. Here, who is this? This is the doctor. They have done. Here also in the left side, pictures are given, and here in the right side, written. First is a contractor, doctor, teacher, painter, driver. Now tell me, first one is a doctor. They have already marked it. Now second one, who is this? She is a teacher. Next, contractor. After that, driver. After that, painter. You have to draw the line neatly. Complete the following passage using the words in the cloud below. In the cloud, here they're given smile, cutting, wise, nation, factory, going to. Now, three men were dash stones, cutting stones. A dash man went to them. A wise man went to them. When he talked to the third worker, he replied with a smile, "Sir, I am working for the nation. The government is building a factory here." Fill in the blanks with the correct letters and say the aloud. M-O-N-E-Y, money. Here, what is this? F-C-O-R-Y. F-A-C-T-O-R-Y, factory. What is doing? C-U-T-T-I-N-G, cutting. Next, V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. What is this? India is a country. Now, let us practice. Look, L-O-O-K, look. T-O-O-K, took. Then H dash dash K, dash 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 H-O-O-K, hook. B-O-O-K, book. Man, M-A-N, fan, F-A-N, can, C-A-N, P-A-N, pan. Let us read the opposite. First, last, friend, enemy, wise, unwise or foolish, real, unreal or fake, big, small. Fill in the blanks with the opposites, the underlined words. Here, opposites are given, right? First, last, second one. A is the first letter, Z is the last letter. All are my friends. I have no enemy. Elephant is big animal. Dog is a small animal. Let us learn punctuations. Look at the picture and learn the punctuations mark. My eyes are full stops. Full stops, right? My nose is an exclamation. Here, this is a exclamation mark. It means आश्चर्य सूचक चिन्ह है. My ears are question marks. Here see, question marks, and these are my punctuation marks. For this we are calling punctuation marks. Match the punctuation marks with their names. Use arrow marks. Which is the first one? Full stop. You have to draw the line. First full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark. Here is given exclamatory mark, full stop, question mark. Full stop. Now tell me, which is the one? First one, second one or third one? Second one is the, for first one, this is the full stop. Next is question mark. Next, exclamatory mark. Punctuate the following sentences. Use capital letters wherever necessary. One is done for you. Door galna sana illi. Can't you see? Full stop. Can't you see? Question mark. I work for my nation. Full stop. Why are you doing it for your country? Here, what comes? Question mark. I'm cutting stones. Full stop. Enact this scene in group of 4. You have to act. If they are your neighbor friends, you can act this. One person is asking, what are you doing? So here is the answer. I am cutting stones. Next, why? I want to help my family. Middle-aged man, what are you doing? I am cutting stones. Why? I want to make money. Middle-aged man, what are you doing, my brother? I am cutting stones. Why? To build a factory. I want to help my country. Very good. India needs people like you. This is only for acting. Now let's read a story. Teacher. Bindu, what do you want to become? Bindu, I want to become a farmer. Teacher, why? Bindu, I want to grow more crops for our people. Teacher, very good. Teacher, Rashid, what do you want to be in future? Rashid, sir, I want to become a teacher. Teacher, may I know why? Rashid, I want to teach the students to love our nation and to work for our country. Teacher, Suraj, what do you want to become? Suraj, a soldier. Teacher, what is your reason for it? Suraj, I want to protect my country. Now, the last, stick the picture of national symbols. Sorry, in this, so one person is telling one thing what they want to become. So you have to think now itself what you all want to become in the future. So you have to study well, and you also must be a good citizen, good person of our country. Now here they have given the picture of India, and here something is written. You have to stick it that pictures you have to stick on that flag, a national flag, you know, right? Yes. Bird, which is a bird? National bird? Peacock. Which is our national flower? Here flower. Lotus. And animal, which is our national animal? Tiger. So you have to stick all the 4 pictures on the name is written on that. Okay. Next class will continue other poem. So here is will complete one lesson. You have to write neatly in your reader, children. Also study well for FA2 exams. Okay. Take care. Bye.